life, wisdom.
Psyche Truth Massage.
Okay. All right, just applying the oil. And go add another back massage. If you're a massage therapist and you're working with clients who come in fairly stressed, it's important for you to stay relaxed yourself and to give them the opportunity to come into a space of relaxation. So I'm just going to start out like I normally do, going right down the vertebrae, either side. Keeping my hands relaxed so it can transfer relaxation to the person on the table. It's important for you, all of us, to learn how to stay relaxed and how to get there and how to make that a good part of our day. So here I'm just going to I'm spreading out the muscles with both thumbs, going down the back. Just a little break from the normal routine, adding a few other things in it. When you start to relax, you're going to notice your muscles letting go. And what's funny about that is oftentimes as the muscles let go into that relaxed state, there's not even an awareness of how tight they've been. People oftentimes notice that in the jaw or in the neck, that it's a lot tighter than they thought. Okay, now this is just a thumb iron going up and down on either side of the spine. I like to work close into the vertebrae. And then we'll get into the shoulders. So what is it out there that you all do to be relaxed? I know it's hard for some people to relax. We almost feel guilty at times if we take some time out to take care of ourselves and really go into a nice relaxed state. Not just kind of one that we're not really there. We're not really taking it all in. But just really relax. We seem to be creatures that feel like we have to be doing something all the time, and it's not right, or it's decadent to just relax. Okay, down here, sacral, doing some of the work along the hip, testing the muscles. Now for you massage therapists out there, be sure that you learn how to keep your hands very relaxed while you're giving a massage to transfer that relaxation into the energetics of the body. a lot is picked up that we don't see or know or understand. So in order to give a nice relaxing massage, you yourself will want to be in a state of relaxation, just in a state of ease, if that helps you to kind of visualize it. And of course you want your own shoulders and body to not be carrying any stress as well. So the relaxation is important for giving the massage as well as receiving. And those on the table, then of course just let it all go and don't feel guilty about doing something nice for yourself, about giving yourself that meltdown time. Because it is good physiologically as well. When we operate under a lot of triggering of the stress hormones, the body can't heal the way it needs to. The body can't digest the way it needs to. So in a relaxation stage, we can really help the body out a lot more than maybe we thought about. Being in a relaxed state, you can also sleep better. And sleep is so important. But being in a state of frenzy all the time, we don't even get good sleep, a good quality to our sleep. It's easily disturbed. So I'm just checking shoulder blades and all this. I'm on the opposite side as I would be working if I were in my treatment room. So again, be thorough with the muscles. Get from end to end on them. That's much more relaxing to the person on the table to feel like things are complete. The work is paid attention to. It's not being rushed through. Okay, I'm coming a little bit between her ribs here. I don't know if you can tell very much, but I am checking the intercostals. Sometimes you pick up fuzz and hair. Okay. Probably the biggest obstacle in getting relaxed is to allow our brain to stop thinking for a while. Stop trying to figure things out. Just let the brain enjoy maybe looking at a tree or sitting still. Just being calm. Okay, because I've kind of going on just one side of the table, I'm going to come back and I'm going to separate the push the muscles that are the muscle that's attaching to the ribs. I'm going to show you how to. I'm pulling it out this way. I'm coming right up to the spine on the sacrum here. Now I'm coming up into the spine. Right here's the vertebrae right there, and I'm right next to it, rolling yourself. The thumb. It's a little bit more difficult. I'm going to do it with my fingers because I'm on this side, but it's the same technique where you kind of tuck under and pull. Under and pull. And this is with the fingers if you're doing it on one side of the same side of the body that you're standing on. And you don't go very far out. It's more of a roll. So it's like a roll and a pull, but a roll. That's to get underneath that muscle as far as you can. And then on the other side, how I normally do it when I'm on both sides of the body is take the thumb, and it's the same thing. It's a roll to get underneath, rolling it, and then you'll get faster at it. So it looks like it's just a out, 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 but it's actually getting down underneath the attachment there and underneath that muscle. So you just kind of roll it. It's very relaxing. You know, the back takes a lot of work throughout the day. Relax the back. All the nervous system is along there. It's just a good thing to do. Probably being in a more relaxed state would make people a little bit happier too, in spite of things, because things just aren't quite the same when we look through the window of relaxation as opposed to looking through the window of stress. There's something else you can do here. After coming up through that, separating the vertebrae. Oftentimes, what I do most often is I'll go between the vertebrae. So the vertebrae's in between and I'm going down. And I oftentimes will use more than just one finger, although the main part of loosening it up is with my index finger. I just go along with it with other fingers as well. But after you do this, there's another thing you can do that's kind of fun. So we'll just go down individually in between the vertebrae, which is very nice and relaxing. And you can go back up and you can take kind of the vertebrae, one in each hand, and just move it back and forth. Just a little bit, just back and forth. Very, very gently. And you'll feel it, just little wiggles. There's a lot of movement that bodies can do. There's a lot of range of motion in the spine. And it's important to keep that range of motion as big as it can be. Because movement can also help with stress, with taking you into more relaxation. When you move, you get endorphins working in the brain that are like natural opiates, and you can really feel quite good. And people who do exercise rather vigorously, they know what that feels like. You feel really good afterwards. That's another good way to be relaxed and relax yourself, although you do take a lot of work when you're exercising. So if you enjoy what you're doing, you can make it more of a meditative time and connecting with the body and getting what you need out of it in the way of relaxation and brain endorphin production and blood flow. The organs can begin to function a little better because they're moving around and not so static. And I do think that when the body is just functioning a little more optimally, that it's easier to be more relaxed. because there is a certain stress in pain. Okay, so I'm just working up her back, and things changed a little bit out of the main protocol that I usually do, but I still followed it to a degree, and realizing that I am unable to change sides of the table. So thank you very much. You can check more about my information on acranio.com or athenajezikmassage.com. Thank you for your time.